Alright guys, so I did take the tape off of this to check it out, but I have not undone anything from this box. So this is from NNK Press, and I'm so excited about this. Look at these pretty packages. So I will set these aside. We can open these in a second, and it looks like we have our by hand books, which is awesome. I'm so excited to see these. So by hand kind of magazine book. Let me see if I can open the plastic. There we go. All right, so I think there's different ones in here. Let's see. And then I've got Mia in my lap. So by hand, I don't know if you're familiar with this. This is the lookbook number 9, Nova Scotia. So let's see. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Just to get an idea of what the book is like. This one's on Nova Scotia. And look at these beautiful, beautiful pictures and patterns. This is gorgeous. I love the colors in here. The reds. Oh my goodness, I love that sweater. I might have to make that sweater. Morning Mist, Just Peachy. These are fabulous. These pictures are gorgeous. Okay, so these are all the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 copies of the By Hand Making Communities Lookbook number 9, Nova Scotia. So these will be listed on the website very soon. I think these are 23 each. They are loaded with patterns and gorgeous pictures. Oh, and I see a little bit about needle punching, which is really cool, and rug hooking. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. And there's stories in here. They highlight the Woolwork Studio. Really cool. So I know you guys are gonna love these. Okay, so let's see. Look at this package. Isn't this adorable? So let's take this off. So cute. I love their packing. Wax paper bags. Oh, you guys are gonna love these. I am so excited about these. We have 3 pairs of these. Look at these. Beautiful Victorian. I think these are in copper, maybe? I think these are the copper ones. I didn't look. Beautiful little scissors. Little thread scissors. Great for yarn. Comes with a little stopper. We have 3 of these. Those are awesome. Let's open up the second one. Let's see what we, oh, these are exciting. I've been looking forward to getting these. I think you guys are gonna love these. Check this out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of these. These are stitch markers. They are 5 ring stitch markers and 1 removable progress keeper. And I don't know if you can see these. Look at the bee. Look at the baby bee. There's a baby bee in there. There's flowers. So there's 2 bees. There's 3 flowers. And then the progress keeper is this adorable little flower. I love these. Love, 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 love these. Okay, and then the last thing we have is, ooh, pretty. Are they all different? Ooh, they're all different. Okay, so these are scissor chains, which can attach to your bag, like the little loops inside of a bag. They attach to your scissors, so you're not having to dig for your scissors in your bags all the time. Look how pretty they are with the little bees. I love these. And then look at these two. These are the other two colors that we've got, pink and blue. These are gorgeous. I can't wait to see these in action. If you guys purchase one of them, make sure to tag me, the Fiber House company, so I get to see them being used. I love these so much. Thank you for being here for the unboxing video.